Welcome back to Realty Solutions. If you're a real estate investor, you know that protecting your investments is crucial for long-term success. We're not just talking about picking the right properties, but understanding all the little things that go into making sure your investments are safe, secure, and most importantly, profitable. In today's video, we'll dive into the top strategies to safeguard your real estate investments. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to Realty Solutions for more expert tips and advice on real estate. Okay, let's talk about due diligence. You wouldn't believe how many people skip this step thinking they found a steal, only to get burned later on. This is where you put in the work, guys. Before you even think about making an offer, you need to thoroughly research the property and its location. And I mean thoroughly. We're talking about digging into public records, checking crime statistics, even walking around the neighborhood to get a feel for the area. Is the property located in a good school district? Are there parks, shopping centers, and other amenities nearby? These factors can significantly impact your property's value and its attractiveness to potential tenants or buyers. Remember, a property in a desirable location will always be in demand, which translates to higher rents, better resale value, and ultimately, a more secure investment. Don't just rely on online sources. Talk to local real estate agents, neighbors, even potential tenants. Get their perspectives on the area's growth potential, any upcoming developments, or any red flags you should be aware of. This kind of first-hand information is invaluable. Look into the property's history, too. Has it been well maintained? Are there any past issues with permits or code violations? These are all things you need to know before putting your money down. Trust me, the more you know about a property and its surroundings, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Remember, a little extra time spent on due diligence can save you from potentially costly mistakes down the road. Now, let's talk about insurance. It's not the most exciting topic, but it's absolutely crucial for protecting your real estate investments. Think of it as your safety net, your financial shield against the unexpected. The thing is, different types of properties come with different risks. A single-family home has different insurance needs than a multi-unit apartment building, right? You need to make sure you have the right coverage for your specific property and situation. Natural disasters, fires, floods, even something as simple as a burst pipe. These can all lead to significant financial losses if you're not properly insured. And don't forget about liability coverage. What happens if someone gets injured on your property? You need to be prepared for these situations, and that's where having the right insurance policy comes in. My advice? Don't just go with the cheapest option you can find. Take the time to shop around, compare quotes from different insurance providers, and make sure you understand exactly what's covered and what's not. Talk to a trusted insurance agent who specializes in real estate. They can help you assess your specific risks and recommend the right coverage options for your needs. Remember, insurance might seem like an added expense, but it's a small price to pay for peace of mind, knowing that your investments are protected from the unexpected. Alright, let's talk about property maintenance. This is an area where a lot of landlords, especially new ones, tend to cut corners. They might think, I can save a few bucks by putting off that repair, or I'll just handle it myself. But trust me, neglecting property maintenance is a recipe for disaster. It's like neglecting your health. Sooner or later, it's going to catch up to you. Regular maintenance is essential for preserving the value of your investment and attracting and retaining good tenants. Think about it. Would you want to live in a place with leaky faucets, broken appliances, and a peeling paint job? Probably not. Your tenants don't want that either. In fact, a well-maintained property is one of the top things tenants look for, and it's a key factor in their decision to stay long-term. So, what does good property maintenance look like? It means addressing repairs promptly, not letting small issues turn into big, expensive problems. It means scheduling regular inspections to identify potential issues early on. And it means being proactive, not reactive. Don't wait for something to break down before you fix it. If you're dealing with multiple properties, it might be worth considering a professional property management company. They can handle all aspects of maintenance for you, from finding reliable contractors to scheduling routine inspections. Remember, property maintenance isn't just about keeping your tenants happy. It's about protecting your investment and ensuring its long-term profitability. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of protecting your real estate investments: tenant selection. Finding reliable, responsible tenants can make all the difference in your experience as a landlord. Think of it this way, your tenants are essentially your business partners. They're the ones generating income for you. So you want to make sure you're choosing partners who are reliable, respectful, and financially responsible. Don't rush the tenant screening process. Take the time to thoroughly vet every applicant. This means running background checks, verifying employment and income, and contacting previous landlords for references. Don't just rely on credit scores. While a good credit history is important, it doesn't tell the whole story. Talk to your potential tenants directly. Ask them about their rental history, their reasons for moving, their lifestyle. Get a sense of their character and whether they'd be a good fit for your property. Remember, a little intuition goes a long way. A solid lease agreement is your best friend. Make sure your lease is legally sound, clearly outlines the terms of the tenancy, and protects your interests as a landlord. By taking the time to find great tenants, you're not just protecting your investment from potential damage or missed rent payments, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more profitable, and less stressful landlord experience. Chapter 5. Legal protection contracts and agreements. Let's face it, the legal side of real estate can be intimidating. But trust me, having a solid legal foundation is crucial for protecting your investments. This is where having a well-drafted lease agreement comes in. Think of your lease agreement as the rule book for your tenant-landlord relationship. It outlines the responsibilities of both parties, protects your interests, and helps prevent misunderstandings down the line. Make sure your lease is legally sound and up to date with your local laws and regulations. Don't just download a generic template from the internet. Consult with a real estate attorney to draft or review your lease agreement. They can help you include clauses that protect you from potential issues, such as late rent payments, property damage, and liability issues. Your lease should clearly state the rent amount, the due date, and the consequences of late payments. Outline the tenant's responsibilities for property maintenance, such as lawn care, snow removal, and reporting any necessary repairs. Include a section on security deposits, specifying the amount, how it will be held, and under what circumstances it can be used. By having a legally sound lease agreement in place, you're not only protecting yourself from potential legal headaches, but also ensuring a smoother and more professional relationship with your tenants. Chapter 6. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, this applies to real estate investing as well. Diversifying your portfolio is a smart strategy for mitigating risk and maximizing your chances of long-term success. What does diversification look like in real estate? It means spreading your investments across different types of properties, locations, and even asset classes. Don't limit yourself to just one type of property. Explore different options like single-family homes, multi-unit apartments, commercial properties, or even vacation rentals. Each property type comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so by diversifying, you're creating a more balanced portfolio. Similarly, don't put all your money into a single location. Explore different neighborhoods, cities, or even states. Real estate markets can fluctuate, so having properties in different areas can help offset potential losses in one market with gains in another. Consider diversifying beyond physical real estate. Explore other asset classes like REITs, real estate investment trusts, or crowdfunding platforms. Remember, diversification is about spreading your risk and creating a more resilient portfolio that can weather market fluctuations. Chapter 7. Market awareness. Stay informed, stay ahead. The real estate market is constantly evolving. Interest rates change, new regulations are introduced, and economic conditions fluctuate. To be a successful real estate investor, you need to stay informed about market trends and how they might impact your investments. Make it a habit to stay updated on local, national, and even global economic indicators. Pay attention to interest rate movements, as they directly affect mortgage rates and affordability. Keep an eye on government policies and regulations that might impact the real estate industry. Follow reputable real estate news sources, blogs, and podcasts to stay informed about market trends, investment strategies, and expert opinions. Attend industry events, conferences, and webinars to network with other investors and learn from experienced professionals. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions, adapt to changing market conditions, and ultimately protect your investments. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of real estate investing, staying informed can be the key to safeguarding your financial future. Protecting your real estate investments is an ongoing process, but by following these strategies, you can minimize risks and maximize your chances of long-term success. Remember to do your due diligence, secure the right insurance, maintain your properties, choose your tenants wisely, have solid legal protection, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about market trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.